Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School at Fit Campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my TEDx talk review and my topic is how I held my breath for 17 minutes by David Blind. I hope you all are doing well today. I am excited to share my review of the fascinating TEDx talk. When most people hear David Blaney's name, they immediately think of magic tricks and incredible illusion. But this TEDx talk is not really about magic, it's about discipline, determination, preparation, and the incredible potential of the human mind and body. In this talk, David Blind shares the story behind one of the most extraordinary achievements holding his breath underwater for more than 17 minutes. At first, this sounds impossible. Most of us struggles to hold our breath for even for even 1 minute. So naturally, the question is, how did he do it? David explained that this achievement was not the result of a special talent or a magic ability. Instead, it comes from year of training, scientific learning, expert guidance, and thousands of hours of practice. His journey teaches us that extraordinary success is usually built on consistent effort rather than natural ability. One of the biggest lessons I learned from this TEDx talk is that great achievement require patience. We often admire successful people without seeing their countless hours they spend practicing behind the scenes. Whether it's becoming a great athlete, musician, entrepreneur, or public speaker, success is not happen overnight. It is a result of small improvements made every single day. The talk also highlights the importance of preparation. Many people focus only on the final achievement, but David reminds us that preparation is where success truly begins before adapting in his world. So, watching this inspiring TEDx talk on the TED platform reminded me that the limit we place on ourselves are often much smaller than our actual potential. Sometimes we give up simply because something feels difficult, not because it's impossible. With the right mindset, proper preparation, and consistent effort, we are capable of achieving for more than we imagine. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is our greatest limits are often that once we create in our mindset. When we replace fear with preparation, doubt with determination, and excuses with action, we begin to discover our true potential. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan, Zindabad, Khuda Hafiz.